Step 1. Put Oreo and butter in a blender or food processor and mix together until the Oreo are well crushed. But in this video, I use scrambled Oreo. After Oreo well crushed, move it to the bowl. Then add butter in a pan and melt it on the stove. Don't forget use small fire and stir it until the butter melted. After the butter melted, pour melted butter over Oreo, then mix it well. Add 2 teaspoons to the container, then press it. Put in freezer for 5 minutes. Step 1. Take a pack of Oreo and cut Oreo into small pieces. Then take a quarter of milk chocolate and cut into small pieces. Make sure the pieces are not too large, so they will melt easily. Add whipped cream powder to the bowl. After that, pour the milk into the powdered whipped cream little by little and stir it slowly. After it mixes well, use mixer to make whipped cream. The next step, put pieces of milk chocolate to the pan and melt it on the stove. Don't forget use small fire and stir it until the milk chocolate melted. After the milk chocolate melted, move it to the bowl. Pour chocolate milk little by little to the whipped cream, and then mix it well. After it mixed, add some Oreo crust and stir it slowly. Put the container of Oreo from freezer and add 1 teaspoon of whipped cream, then press it. In this step, we'll make ganache. We'll start with the chocolate. Cut into a small piece. Make sure the pieces are not too large, so it will melt easily. Then, put whipped cream powder to the pan, pour milk, and stir it. Move mixing into the stove. Stir it until the edges boil. After the edges boil, add the pieces of chocolate. Then stir it again. Stir it until it mixes. After the ganache done, move it to the container and let it dry. And the last but not least, put Oreo from freezer, then pour the chocolate ganache. Add some Oreo for topping. And finally, Oreo desserts are ready to serve.